Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into 10 amazing foods that can supercharge your body and boost your health. Let's get started. Number 1. Apples for pectin to aid digestion. Apples are packed with pectin, a type of soluble fiber that promotes healthy digestion by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. They can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great snack for those with diabetes. Apples are also rich in antioxidants like quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show that regular apple consumption is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Number 2. Berries for polyphenols to protect cells. Berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage. These compounds can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Berries are also high in fiber, which supports digestive health and helps maintain a healthy weight. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet can provide a wide range of nutrients and health benefits. Number 3. Lentils for protein to build muscle. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. They are also rich in iron, which is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood. Additionally, lentils provide a good amount of fiber, promoting digestive health and keeping you feeling full longer. Their low glycemic index makes them a great option for managing blood sugar levels. Number 4. Greek yogurt for probiotics to support gut health. Greek yogurt is a probiotic powerhouse loaded with beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. These probiotics can improve digestion, boost the immune system, and may even enhance mental health. Greek yogurt is also high in protein, which helps build and repair tissues. It's a versatile food that can be enjoyed in both savory and sweet dishes. Number 5. Quinoa for amino acids to repair tissues. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids necessary for tissue repair and muscle growth. It's also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Quinoa is gluten-free, making it an excellent grain alternative for those with gluten sensitivities. Its high nutrient content supports overall health and well-being. Number 6. Pomegranate for antioxidants to fight inflammation. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Pomegranates also promote heart health by improving cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Their vibrant seeds add a nutritious burst of flavor to any meal. Number 7. Green tea for catechins to boost metabolism. Green tea is renowned for its high catechin content, which can boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. These antioxidants also promote heart health by reducing LDL cholesterol levels and improving blood flow. Regular consumption of green tea may lower the risk of certain cancers. Its soothing properties make it a great choice for a daily beverage. Number 8. Flax seeds for lignans to balance hormones. Flax seeds are rich in lignans, which have estrogen-like properties and can help balance hormones in the body. They are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. The fiber in flax seeds aids digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. Adding ground flax seeds to your diet can provide numerous health benefits. Number 9. Cauliflower for choline to support brain health. Cauliflower is a great source of choline, an essential nutrient that supports brain health and cognitive function. It's also high in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety. Cauliflower contains sulforaphane, a compound with potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Its versatility makes it a nutritious addition to various dishes. Number 10. Pumpkin for vitamin A to support skin health. Pumpkins are rich in vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and immune function. They also contain antioxidants like beta-carotene, which help protect against free radical damage. The high fiber content in pumpkins aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Enjoying pumpkin in your diet can provide a wealth of health benefits. And there you have it, 10 foods to supercharge your body and boost your health. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. So start adding them to your meals today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Let us know in the comments which of these foods is your favorite and how you like to include them in your diet. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.